Hey y'all, Bill the How-To Guy here. Feel free to subscribe at youtube.com/Bill the How-To Guy because Bill will show you how to. Hey y'all, Bill the How-To Guy here, and this is how to save money on utilities. Now again, nothing's guaranteed, but if you've got a traditional, just old school thermostat, you're probably not taking advantage of the latest technology. So this right here, this is a Honeywell T5, and you can expand this video's description and click the link there to find where to order it online. But basically what you can do if you've got a one-story house with one thermostat, or if you've got a two-story, you can install multiples. And what I've found with the Honeywell T5 is that I can, and again, results may vary, but I've radically reduced my electrical bills. And obviously electricity in the summer for most HVAC systems, and then gas possibly in the winter. So, and the other thing is, see, if I push this, it won't let me control it. Because what I've done, I've enabled a lock screen. Now the value add of that is that if you have people in your house that have a tendency to try to make it cooler or make it warmer, what they don't realize that they're doing is they are adjusting the temperature, which is not optimizing the energy consumption. So they're actually making you, potentially making you pay more for your utilities. So with this, you've got a lot of ways, and it's easy to use. Installation simple. I'll do a separate video showing how to install the Honeywell T5, but it's really simple. You can see it's this following schedule, and it's got that geo-fence symbol up there. So basically, if I go within a specified radius of the home, and that could be you and or anybody in your family, just install the Residio app, which is Honeywell app, on their phone. And then if everybody's away, this will automatically change the temperature to potentially save money while everyone's away from the house. Something else I do is and this is all easy to do within the Residio Honeywell app. Something else that I do is set a schedule. So during the day, I have one thermostat, actually both thermostats, and it differs in the winter and summer. So in the summer, I've actually got the downstairs thermostat warmer than the upstairs. And then when it becomes bedtime, I've got a schedule specified within the app that'll reduce the temperature slightly for a more comfortable sleeping environment. But it's not at that temperature all day. See, with a traditional thermostat, a lot of people just keep that thermostat set on that same temperature all day and night. And what they're doing is they're potentially increasing their energy consumption, which obviously if energy consumption's increased, the bills will probably be more. So again, this is an easy way to save money on utility bills. So how to save money on utility bills, this is how to do it. So I hope this video helped, and again, you can expand this video's description and click the link there to find the thermostats like I'm using. Again, I've got 2 of them, but they're very affordable. They're very easy to install. And again, I've been impressed with the results. Again, results may vary, but if you're not using a smart thermostat, and even if you have one, if you haven't optimized your use of it, you know, set a lock on the screen so people can't change it. Set your daytime and your sleep schedule. Enable geo-fencing. And with those things, you'll probably find that your utilities, assuming that the cost of the utilities themselves don't increase, you'll probably find that you'll probably be spending less. So hope this video helps. Be sure to subscribe, ring that bell icon when you do, and Bill will show you how to. Y'all have a good day.